Hey guys, we're back with another video. I'm the owner of EgiptEgyptianne e-collection, and y'all, I just woke up, so that whole intro, boy. Okay, so in my last video, I told y'all we're gonna do inventory, and that's what I might just sit here and do is to fix up inventory. So I'm gonna have y'all over here popped up just like that to fix inventory. Try to figure out what it's gonna be here and what's not. And I found out my job has crinkly paper, so I'm gonna get up on that because that opportunity is life. So I'm gonna go up here. And my new containers, you gotta come up out of here because I need much space. Like, I need some space. So instead of it being cleaning, it's gonna be like me moving around stuff. So my makeup stuff is staying up there because I do utilize my makeup stuff. That gotta get cleaned out because that was be clean. Should my last stuff stay up here? Along with like the container? I don't know. We're gonna clear this whole thing out. Stuff that's in here shouldn't be in here, and stuff that should be on top of this, I need to put it up because it shouldn't be in there. Oh, don't pay attention to what I'm watching in the background. I'm watching some entertainment. I gotta go to work in the afternoon, so I thought I'd do this quick one. What is this? I'm getting new drawers soon too, so I just need to see the visual and the placement and all that. I'm gonna just open it. Y'all would think I'm inventory stock, but me just feeling like I'm not inventory stock is really what's bothering me. Because I got so much old containers, and I just feel like I need more. And the fact that I got these new containers, I just feel like I need more. I'm gonna be able to put much back in here. Oh, I started keeping my makeup up there, so I'm gonna stay up there. Okay. Everything else will come back here. And it's not just, this really gonna be a short one because it's not just much. Like, I just need to make more space. Like, I am losing space. I need to make more space. Everything had to come down in here. I need to find out where I'm gonna put these because I don't know what I'm doing next with these. Like, I don't even know. Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. So, like I said, that was pretty much it. I just need to make 2 spaces for my containers because I do not know what I was doing. Like, my mind was going so much blank. Like, okay, I keep looking over here like I need some space for them containers because some containers is coming too much in here, and then up here it's just looking like. But as soon as I get my new bins, everything will be organized. I will be an organized caddy over here. But yeah, stay tuned because I'm gonna do a short inventory haul part 2. I do got my inventory in, so I'm gonna do an inventory haul part 2. Stay tuned for that, and you guys have a great day. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.